welcome to our executive overview of job forecasting in Anterra. Your project managers need to forecast final cost to keep control of their jobs, determine earned revenue on your work in progress report, and to identify possible cost overruns as soon as possible. In construction, bad news early is always better than bad news late, as each day that goes by brings you closer to project completion. Let's look at how to forecast in Anterra. This is our job forecasting hub. You have small, medium, and large jobs. You should be able to forecast at the level you want. Anterra is the only construction software that lets you forecast at the job, cost type, or cost category level. Forcing project managers to forecast all jobs at the cost category level is too time-consuming. Having higher level forecasts makes forecasting easier. As a user, you control every grid in Anterra. You can pick which columns appear, put them in any order you like, pivot them, filter them, and save views to share with your colleagues. Here's an example of a view that's pivoted by business unit, then project manager. And another that's pivoted just by project manager. You can create filtered views so that PMs can work through their forecasts for all jobs at each level. Our goal is to make job forecasting as easy as possible for project managers. We have 10 forecast at complete formulas that are automatically calculated and maintained, so you don't have to adjust as many numbers. The formula is in place until a project manager enters a forecast. They own the forecast from that point forward. Let's do a cost type forecast for this job. The cost types that appear can be customized. For example, design labor can be a separate cost type from field labor. Let's look at forecasting the labor cost type. We give the project managers the information they need to forecast. Here is the status of labor estimated hours and rate versus job performance to date. Project managers can forecast to complete or at complete as they like. Notice that you control the forecasted labor hours, rate, and total cost and enter the fields you like. We'll do the rest. You can also enter notes for your forecast and see past notes at the bottom of the window. Let's look at a material forecast. Again, we provide the information a PM needs to do their forecast. If you are forecasting down a level at the cost category type level, you could mark that bought out or cost complete, and we would adjust the forecast to become the committed cost or job to date cost amount. From the Forecast Hub, you can drill down to the cost code category level to forecast more detail for larger jobs. Once the forecast cost is complete, the PM can then update the time job forecast. Our time job forecast lets you spread out the contract dollars and cost type forecast so you have an up-to-date draw schedule for your customer and the beginnings of a cash flow for your company. You can spread out the contract or forecast cost dollars over the remaining months of the project and see your numbers in dollars or percentages. Let's move on to Anterra's WIP management. We get you out of spreadsheets and give you a system to make and track your WIP adjustments by month. Here's a WIP grid for May, where we've made self-reversing accrual entries to adjust our work in progress for change orders that were approved at the end of May but not entered until June. You can adjust contract, forecast cost, cost to date, or simply enter a WIP percentage complete to get the WIP working exactly how you like it. Like the Forecast Hub, we provide you a WIP report grid that lets you build any report you like. When we surveyed our customers to build WIP reporting, the client with the smallest size WIP report had 10 columns, the largest report had 72. Both of these clients have the WIP report they want in Anterra. This concludes our executive overview. Thank you for watching. We've shown you how you can forecast at multiple levels, do timed forecast, and how to get out of spreadsheets for WIP management. Our clients tell us they can handle more jobs with the same level of staff, with the increase in productivity that results from improved reporting and being more proactive than reactive. Please contact us for more information.